So, quick update. Yesterday morning, I got a call from the Kubota dealership. He said they were putting my skid steer back together as we spoke. It'll be ready in the afternoon. Come get it. I'll call you. Never got a call. So I give him a call. Bad news. They put it back together. The blown turbo that I told you guys in the last video, I had my doubts that that's the only problem there was. He said they put it back together, cranked it up, and it had zero power. Wouldn't even lift the bucket. So he says that they're gonna have to check into it. They have no idea what it is, that there's lights flickering on it. There's all kinds of stuff happening now that wasn't happening before. He's saying that he thinks it's an injector. Now mind you, that it has 103 hours right now. At 28 hours, they changed every injector in that machine. I am getting a loaner from them. I'm going to pick up a 75, which will help me out because I really have a lot of things I need to get done today. I'm bummed, man. I'm bummed. Alright, we're at the first job of the day. We got to set a 1500 gallon tank, 540, and then do some excavation. This is all the old drain fill here. It's blowing out all on this line, and right now it's 500 square foot. We're going to add 900 square foot, and so it's going to go all the way out to the pumper or the pump truck. Got the pump truck ready. Chandler's uncovered the lid right now. It's an old fiberglass tank, so it should be easy to crush. We're gonna pump it, crush it, pump the lift station, crush it, and then we'll be all right. We're gonna get to work, trying to beat the dirt, guys. Okay, got the tanks in. We're filling up the lift station now. Shit was wet. Backfill around the lift station, pipe it in, and then we're gonna rip the old drain field out and get out of here. Go set a normal size tank and a normal size lift station. Hopefully it's easy. Hopefully there's no groundwater, and hopefully we don't work till 8 o'clock tonight. Enjoy. All right, we're on job 2. Getting ready to put the tanks in right now. 1060 infiltrator tank and a 225 Snyder lift station tank, dosing tank, whatever you like to call it. Chandler is setting the grade stick right now, and this one shouldn't be too bad. Shouldn't be nearly as big of a pain in the ass as the last one. As far as water, this one's not going that deep, so water and all that stuff shouldn't be an issue here. This is a wet area, but we're not going too deep. We're gonna do this, and then excavation. I don't know if you guys can see the flags, but that's our excavation spot. It's where the drain field's gonna go. And then
Dirt's coming tomorrow, inspection on the excavation tomorrow, and we'll be all right. We'll be good to go. Tomorrow morning we're gonna go back to the job we just left. We got that drain field ripped out, letting all that wet sand and stuff dry out. Right now I'm kind of looking around for a reference point because I can't find it, but hopefully I'll find that. But appreciate you guys, and we're gonna get these tanks in real quick. Feels like it's been a long day and it's only 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. Feels like it should be 8:30. Bye. Well, we got the tank in, waiting for it to fill up with this very slow well water so we can go get the lift station thrown in. Right now we're thinking about thumb wrestling, just waiting, kill some time. So it's going slow. I'm bored and just want to go. It's late in the day and I'm ready to go. Oh, well, we got all that done. Got the excavation done on that job. As you can see, we worked pretty late today. That's okay. That was kind of the plan, is just go at this stuff hard and then get it all done, because everything's been backed up, especially without the skid steer, which update, there's no update. The second job, they got to inspect the excavation on that, and they got to give me the okay before we can go back over there and do anything. I guess I should put my seatbelt on. The dinging is gonna drive you guys nuts. But yeah, so I appreciate you guys watching as always, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Right now I'm gonna go home and eat some dinner. Good morning. We are warming up the machine. We're back at the 900 square foot job that we did yesterday. Got some excavation to do first thing, just a little bit. Then we're gonna fill it in with new sand and start grading. We're about to grease the machine down and get to work. Bye. All right, we got the hole filled in with Florida's finest sand. We got the risers installed on the lift station and the pump in there. Everything ran. We're about to start grading and get the hell out of here for the day. It'll be inspected tomorrow, covered on the next day, and then tomorrow I think we're gonna try to do 2 jobs. So we have a lot of work to do. right, we got it installed, got it piped in, everything's done, and it is ready for the county to come and inspect. Let me show you. 900 square feet, 18 inches of excavation. $540 infiltrator tank, $1,500 infiltrator tank, pump system, be about a 25-inch mound. It was not that bad, just long. It was big, 900 square feet of drain field. It's twice the size of what we normally do, just about, so no big deal, plenty of room out here. Ended up using a total of 8 loads of dirt just to get to the bottom of the drain field. A lot more than I expected. Actually, we got that one out there, so I'll say about 6.5. We got 6 more coming tomorrow to cover, so we'll be all right. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you.